Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, we will know about the heavy metals. First, we will see the definition of heavy metals. Heavy metals refers to any metallic chemical element that has a relatively high density, that is about 4 times higher than that of water. It also has high atomic weight and are toxic at even low concentrations. Some examples of heavy metals are lead, cadmium, mercury, arsenic, chromium, etc. Next, we will see the sources of heavy metals. The natural sources include weathering and abrasion of rocks, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and aerosol formations. The anthropogenic sources include organic and inorganic fertilizers, sewage sludge, fossil fuel combustion, and industries. Next, we will know about some important points on mercury, that is one of the heavy metal. The sources of mercury are coal burning, electrical appliances, and fungicides. The elemental mercury itself is not toxic as it is extracted out without any serious damage. It is the methyl mercury which causes Minamata disease or dancing cat disease. This disease was first seen in Japan, where the methyl mercury poisoning that occurred in humans who ingested fish and shellfish contaminated by organic mercury discharged in wastewater from a chemical plant in Japan in 1956. The anaerobic bacteria which are living in sediments converts insoluble elemental mercury into soluble methyl organic mercury, which concentrates into tissues of aquatic organisms after absorption from water. The people who eat these organisms are exposed to this toxic chemical. The methyl mercury is soluble in lipids and brain tissues. It attaches to cell membrane which inhibits active transport of potassium and sugar. This brain cell starts disorders during nerve impulse transmission. It can also cross the placental barrier, and that's why baby is born from the mother having mercury subjected to methyl mercury poisoning with irreversible central nervous system damage. The symptoms of Minamata diseases are blurred vision, numbness, loss of muscle control, slurred speech, paralysis, and even death. Next, we will know about the cadmium. Cadmium is believed to exert no toxic effect. However, the toxic effect of cadmium are associated to its affinity for organic ligands containing sulfur or dinitrogen. When excessive amount of cadmium is ingested, it replaces zinc from important metabolic sites and causes metabolic disorders. The cadmium plus 2 is the most available form in water. Cadmium causes itai disease or ouch disease. In 1946, in certain parts of Japan, people developed this disease. The source of cadmium in this case was drainage from zinc, cadmium, and lead mines. The drainage contaminated the river water, which was used by local people for irrigation of their paddy fields. Effects of cadmium poisoning includes loss of calcium from bones, thus leads to softening of bones and painful disease of bones and joints, that is itai. It also causes kidney lesions, proteinuria, and glycoria, that is urine with sugar or glucose. It also causes renal disorders and cancer of liver and lungs. The sources of cadmium includes electroplating industries, pigment production houses, alloys, and nickel cadmium batteries. Next, we will know about the arsenic. Arsenic is an element which is widely distributed in Earth's crust and in groundwater of many countries. The long-term intake of arsenic contaminated water leads to arsenic poisoning or arsenocosis. In India, the states of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, and Chhattisgarh are reported to be most affected by arsenic poisoning of groundwater above the permissible level. The WHO provisional guidelines value for arsenic in drinking water is 0.01 mg per liter, and the permissible limit of arsenic in India in absence of an alternative source is 0.05 mg per liter. The arsenic exists in two organic forms, which is arsenic 5, and second is arsenite, which is arsenic 3. The arsenate is less toxic and arsenite is more toxic. The arsenate is present in aerobic environment, and the arsenite, which is more toxic, is predominant form of arsenic in reducing environment. A high concentration of arsenic in groundwater of Indo-Gangetic Plain has been associated with arsenic-rich sediments that are arsenopyrite of Holocene period. These sediments are primarily formed in Indo-Gangetic Plain and Bangladesh. However, the exact mechanism is not known, but it is thought that over-withdrawal of groundwater causes the reducing environment that leads to the conversion of arsenate into arsenite. The arsenic causes Blackfoot disease. The Blackfoot disease is a characteristic vascular disease which is associated with long-term exposure to inorganic arsenic. It occurred in areas of Taiwan with elevated arsenic in drinking water. The patients suffered severe systematic arteriosclerosis with black, mummified, dry foot gangrene in severe cases. Arsenic poisoning causes cancer of skin, bladder, kidney or lung, and disease of skin or blood vessels of legs and feet. The removal of arsenic from water is done by the iron oxides, which are used to decontaminate arsenic polluted water. In this, the iron reacts with arsenate and arsenite and forms insoluble and stable iron arsenic compound. Next, we will know about the chromium. The chromium is a metal that exists in several oxidation states or valence states, ranging from chromium 2 to chromium 6. The chromium compounds are very stable in the trivalent state and occur naturally in this state in ores such as ferrochromite or chromite ore. The chromium 3 is an essential nutrient for maintaining blood glucose level. The deficiency of this causes diabetes mellitus, that is urine with sugar. The chromium 6 is a carcinogen and causes cancer of gastrointestinal tract. The sources of chromium are electroplating industries, pigment industries, steel plants and cement industries. Now we will know about the lead. The sources of lead are lead pipes, taps and plumbing fixtures. Certain pipes that carry drinking water from the water source to the home may contain lead. Lead can enter drinking water when a chemical reaction occurs in plumbing materials that contain lead. This is known as corrosion or dissolving or wearing away of metals from the pipes and fixtures. This reaction is more severe when water has high acidity or low mineral content. Lead has many harmful effects. Blood level of lead at 10 to 15 microgram per 100 ml of blood reduces intelligence and also shows other effects on the brain of a developing child. Lead mainly affects ability to learn or nervous system. It also causes anemia because it interferes with the synthesis of hemoglobin. Lead is most dangerous in its dissolved form, and in this form it dissolves into blood and can be transferred into kidney and brain. Let's have a quick revision. Nitrates in water causes blue baby syndrome or infant methemoglobinemia. The arsenic causes Blackfoot disease. Cadmium causes Itai disease or Ouch disease. The mercury causes Minamata or dancing cat disease. I have already made a video on the different types of disease that are caused by the different pollutants. In case if you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description. Now let's see some questions related to this. First question is the assertion reason type of a question, in which assertion states that arsenic 3 is more toxic than arsenic 5. And the reason given here is that arsenic 5 binds the sulfhydryl group more strongly than arsenic 3. The assertion is correct, but the reason is wrong because the arsenic 3 binds the sulfhydryl group more strongly than arsenic 5. Next question is, which one of the following sequence represents increasing order of toxicity of metal? So here the less toxic is calcium and the most toxic metal is cadmium. So the correct option will be option number 3. Next question is, which one of the following is heavy metal causing water pollution? And here the correct option is option number 1, that is chromium. Next question is, among the following, which one is more mobile and more toxic to living organisms? And here the correct option is option number 2, that is arsenic 3. Next question is, which species of chromium is toxic in water? And here the correct option is option number 2, that is chromium 6. Next question is, the flame photometry is a suitable method for the determination of, and here the correct option is option number 4, that is alkali metals. The heavy metals are measured by the atomic absorption spectroscopy. Next question is, the cause of lung cancer mesothelioma is, and here the correct option is option number 1, that is asbestos. Next question is, what causes Minamata disease? And here the correct option is option number 2, that is organic mercury. The organic mercury is also known as methyl mercury. Next question is another assertion reason type of a question, in which assertion states that increased level of arsenic in water is a health hazard. And the reason given here is that arsenic has antagonistic behavior with other metals. Its dietary requirement is in trace amount and shows speciation. So here the assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Next question is, methanoglobinemia is actually caused by water pollution containing. Here the correct option is option number 3, that is nitrate. Next question is, the intake of lead may cause the damage of, and here the correct option is option number 1, that is brain. Next question is, the central nervous poisoning by methyl mercury is known as, and here the correct option is option number 3, that is Minamata disease. Next question is, what causes black foot disease? And here the correct option is option number 3, that is excess of arsenic in water. Next question is, which one of the following chemical species of mercury is highly toxic to the system? And here the correct option is option number 2, that is organic mercurial, which is also known as methyl mercury. The less toxic mercury is the atomic mercury. Next question is a match type of a question, in which list 1 gives the elements or the metals and list 2 shows the diseases. So here the mercury causes Minamata disease, the nitrogen causes methemoglobinemia, cadmium causes itai, and the coal causes silicosis. So the correct option will be option number D. Next question is, the metal which is generally absorbed by plants along with zinc and causes ouch disease in human beings. So here the correct option will be option number 3, that is cadmium. Next question is assertion reason type of a question, in which assertion states that organometals or organometalloids such as trimethyl arsine and dimethyl mercury are more toxic to living systems compared to their inorganic forms. And the reason given here is that the organometals are more hydrophilic than their inorganic forms and hence can easily move across lipid bilayer. Here the assertion is correct, but the reason is wrong, because these metals do not move easily across bilipid layers, but these get accumulated in a toxic form. Next question is, in terms of toxicity, identify the correct sequence. And here the correct option is option number 1. The more toxic is arsenic, then cadmium, and then methylene chloride. Next question is, which of the following is not a heavy metal? And here the correct option is option number 4, that is aluminium. Next question is, mercury pollution is considered hazardous to human health because, and here the correct option is option number B, which states that mercury accumulates and its concentration increases high up in the food chain. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.